and the quarterly rate will be 1/4 of the annual rate. Example: what amount is to be repaid on a loan of rupees 15,000 in 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half-yearly? Solution: there are 3 half-years in 1.5 years. Compounding has to be done in 3 times. Rate of interest is equal to half of 10% is equal to 5% half-yearly. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole square n is equal to 15,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to the power 3 is equal to 15,000 into 105 upon 100 is equal to 15,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20, which is equal to 17,364.37 rupees. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Discount is a reduction given on marked price. Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. Discount can be calculated when discount percentage is given. Discount is equal to discount percentage of marked price. Additional expenses made after buying an article are included in the cost price and are known as overhead expenses. CP is equal to buying price plus overhead expenses. Sales tax is charged on the sale of an item by the government and is added to the bill amount. Sales tax is equal to tax percentage of bill amount. Compound interest is the interest calculated on the previous year's amount, A as P plus I. Amount when interest is compounded annually.